So Mickey is a 32-year-old manager working at the Manufacturing Electronics Private Limited, and he is currently designing the equipment check for an equipment that has been experiencing higher rates of safety failures. So this equipment is the motherboard, and he recognized that the current manual that the engineers use is the SOP, the standard operating procedures, which is lengthy and tedious to follow through all the steps. So the company has actually been implementing the CheckPal, which is a web application that hosts checklists that users create for their departments to use. So he logs into the system, he enters his username and his password, and he logs in, whereupon he's brought to the home page where then he moves on to create the new list for the motherboard. So on this page, he inputs the title and the content for the first task, which is check sound level pressure, and there's no image to be added to this task, so he didn't add any image. So he adds on. And then he carries on to add the next task, which is check the air flow. And the page moves up, and you can see, and he gets to choose which type of equipment that he wants to add the list to. So there's a drop down. So he's using the motherboard, so it sticks to the default motherboard, and he confirms the list. So on confirming, he is brought to the my list page, where the engineers are separated by the equipments that they handle. Okay, so he checks on one of his engineer, J, and he's brought to the page that shows J's submission so far. So the page allows him to check on the serial number of the motherboard that J has checked, the status of the task, and also the date and time attached to the submission.